Hello my friends, your family doctor, Dr. AP. If anyone is coughing since many days, and the cough is like and they're not getting relief even by taking antibiotics, medicines, you rule out all the possibility, bronchitis, tuberculosis, bronchiectasis, you rule out all the possibilities first. My friends, frankly speaking, if your doctor is good, he will give you inhaler, pump. My God, this is brilliant, yeah. This is just brilliant. Many people, not many people, in fact, everyone is afraid that if they start using this inhaler, they'll get used to it, they'll have to use it for lifelong. But my friends, listen. In fact, even the doctors think that yes, they'll get used to the patients, they will get used to this inhaler. It's not good, but my friends, listen to me, yaar. Inhalers are the best. Inhalers are the best. People go here and there, they go to other pathies, somebody will go to Ayurveda, somebody homeopathic, other naturopathies, but my friends, if you are coughing, non-stop coughing, mostly in the night time, you cough and you get up, you rule out all the causes of cardiac causes, other causes by doing the X-ray chest, because allergic asthma, bronchial asthma, in that the X-ray will be normal. A good doctor will diagnose this bronchial asthma. Bronchial asthma can be seasonal, that only during some in rainy season or in winter season, patient will get this cough. He will just keep on coughing. This is the type of cough in asthma. My friends, please use this inhaler. Believe me, no side effects. No side effects of inhalers. There are many types of inhalers. This is like inhaler. Sometimes an Aerocort, like you use that tablet you used. The tablet is inserted and you rotate it. Rotacaps. It's called Rotacaps. My friends, please use it 2 times. Believe me, you get miraculous relief, miraculous results. Patient will get relief, yaar. Don't be afraid of habit. Don't be afraid, because believe me, usually when you go away from to a good climate, like in city areas, it's very common. Cough, bronchial asthma is very common. If you go to the village areas, it will disappear. Mostly it disappears. Inhalers are best. You don't need to get anywhere. You don't get used to it, yaar. Please forget it. Because during the summer season, usually even bronchial asthma patients do not get cough. They don't need to use this inhaler. They don't need to. The only thing you have to remember, after taking the pump, inhaler, you have to do gargles. Simple gargles of water. Because it gets accumulated. The vapor which you use, it gets sometimes accumulated. It may cause fungal infection. That's it. No side effects. Believe me, friends, no side effects. Anyone can use. Anyone. Diabetic, blood pressure patient, heart patient, they can use it. Inhalers are magic. If you are a good doctor, my friends, doctors, listen. You should convince your patients. In fact, during this corona times, even then this inhaler is good. Inhaler is one of the best thing in modern medicine. Brilliant. No side effects. A bit of shivering, tremors, a bit sometimes, not always. Brilliant, my friends. If you are coughing, if your cough is not going, please don't go here and there. It has no side effects here. It does not go in the stomach. It goes directly into the lungs. You get relief. Inhaler is superb. You can't compare. So if you're coughing, if your cough is not going, and if doctor says, no, this is allergic cough, this cough will go, will not go, you'll keep on coughing, don't believe. Start taking inhalers. Take the advice of a good doctor. If your doctor is not advising, go to some other doctor, because inhalers can be prescribed by a good doctor who has knowledge. Like that, you have to pump, like that. It will go inside the mouth. Even kids, small kids, childhood asthma is very common. Childhood asthma, kids keep on coughing. Doctors give antibiotic, doctors admit him. There are many kids who get admitted in the hospital every year for cough. If your doctor is good, he will recommend inhaler. Your child will not be admitted in the hospital again and again. Brilliant, man, just brilliant. Believe me, don't be afraid to give inhalers to your kids. They can take kids can take this inhaler. Cough will go away, cough will go away. And believe me, childhood asthma gets cured after some time. It is not sure that it's not compulsory in fact, that they'll have to use it for lifelong. No. So today I came with the topic of importance of inhaler in today's world. Inhalers importance, public don't know. In fact, doctors also don't. Many doctors don't know. Only a good doctor will recommend inhalers. My friends, your family doctor, Dr. AP. Importance of inhaler. Thank you very much. Thank you. Jai Hind. Share, comment, subscribe.